Want to know what's happening in real estate in Vancouver in the month of April? I'm going to tell you all about it right after this. Home sellers have become increasingly active in the Metro Vancouver real estate market this spring. This is in response to a heightened demand and the increasing values of homes and condos and townhomes throughout the region. The Real Estate Board of Greater Vancouver reports that residential home sales in the region totaled 4,900 in April of 2021. This is a whopping 342% increase from the 1,100 sales recorded in April of 2020. But it's a 14% decrease from the 5,700 homes that had sold in March of 2021. Last month's sales were 56% above the 10-year April sales average and is the highest total on record for the month. The housing market has gone through an incredible change compared to last year when COVID started. The market almost came to a standstill in the first few months. And then all of a sudden, the surge happened, and it started last December, maybe November, and it still continues on today. It's absolutely amazing what's going on. There were 7,938 detached, detached, and condo homes newly listed for sale on the multiple listing service in Metro Vancouver in April of 2021. And this represents a huge 243% increase compared to the 2,300 homes listed in April of 2020. While homes are now being listed at record levels, more supply is needed to meet today's demands and help market conditions achieve greater balance. And today's active listings are still 11% below the 10-year average. So therefore, not a lot of supply, but huge demand. Prices are going up. The MLS Home Price Index composite benchmark for all residential properties in Metro Vancouver is 1,152,000, which represents a 12% increase over April of 2020. Sales of detached homes in April 2021 reached 1,655, which is a 326% increase from the 388 detached sales recorded in April of 2020. The benchmark price for a detached home now stands at $1,755,000. This represents a 21% increase from last year and a 3.2% increase compared to March of 2021. Sales of condos reached 2,289 in April of 2021, and that's another 355% increase compared to the 503 sales in April of 2020. The benchmark price for a condo is now $729,000. This represents a 5.9% increase from April of 2020. Townhome sales in April of 2021 totaled 964, which is another 342% increase compared to the 218 sales in April of 2020. The benchmark price for a townhome now stands at $900,000. This represents a 13.9% increase from April of 2020. The Greater Vancouver Real Estate Board is broken into basically two areas. One is called the Metro Vancouver area and one's the Greater Vancouver area. We've gone over this a few times in the past, where the Metro Vancouver area includes downtown West Side, East Side, North Vancouver, West Vancouver, Richmond, Tsawwassen, and Ladner. And the Greater Vancouver area consists of Burnaby, New West, Coquitlam, Port Coquitlam, Port Moody, Pitt Meadows, and Maple Ridge. Within those areas, things vary dramatically from area to area, but there are some hot spots. If you're to look at downtown Vancouver, the hottest area at this point in time is the downtown sub-area. Next goes into Yaletown, then the West End, and then Cole Harbour. So in the Metro Vancouver area, number 1 is Kitsilano, number 2 is Mount Pleasant, and number 3 is Dunbar. Where the downtown stats for condos and townhomes, the sell-through ratio is roughly 31%. But when you move into the west side, that's where it changes and increases dramatically. On the average, it's gone up to 40%. So in the Greater Vancouver area, that's where the sales ratios increase dramatically. The three top areas are Maple Ridge at 80%, Pitt Meadows is second, Port Coquitlam is third at 69%. And it goes for whether it's a house or a condo, the market out there is on fire. So if you're looking for more space, bigger home, a little bit less money, the Fraser Valley is one of the hottest areas to look at. The number one area for detached homes in sell-through ratio of 85% is Cloverdale. Second comes in at Mission. Then we have Abbotsford and then Langley. All of them are above 70%. So pretty close, but some are a little hotter than others. Depends on certain pockets in those areas also, but we've sold a lot of homes in the Fraser Valley in this past few months, and it is exploding out there. Want copies of any of these statistics? Feel free. Call, text, or email, and we'll send them off to you ASAP. But a real special treat, if you're considering buying or selling, we have 2 really good books that we've written about each process. If you'd like your free copy, again, send me an email and I'll be happy to send you one. Thanks very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. That helps me out, and hit the like button. It helps my video guy out even better. Thanks very much.